Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block any program from accessing any internet on your Windows. So here you go. Let's block Firefox from using the internet. So right now if I go on the Firefox and I search anything and it will work. Let's try any news here. Let's see this. Okay, so now when we click on it or if we search, it works, right? It loads the website. The internet is working fine, no problem. So what we will do is we will search Windows firewall or Windows Defender firewall. So we will go to the advanced security. With advanced security, this option. All right, so we got this window. Okay, this is where we create the rules. Okay, but if you want to check if it's turned on or off, I mean firewall, then you open Windows Defender firewall. There you go. So right now it shows red, it means it's disabled. Okay, before turning it on, let me create the rules. If you go to advanced setting, from here it will open the same window. There you go. So let's create a rule. So there are two types of rule here. One is inbound and one is outbound. Okay, so the site is working, no problem. So when what is outbound? Outbound is like when we request something from the internet. So outbound is like if we search google.com, Firefox send the request. Okay, and inbound is the response coming from the internet. So let's create outbound rule. We select program, we select pro and path to this software, which is Firefox. It's in program files, Mozilla Firefox, and then Firefox next, and we will make sure we block the connection next, all from everything, private public connection, everything. Create any name, Mozilla, zero Mozilla, whatever you want to block out, whatever. Description is optional, and then we finish it. Okay, now let's check it. We have created the rule which blocks Firefox from using the internet, I mean sending the request. But right now it will work because our Windows Defender firewall is turned off. Okay, so what is inbound role? Inbound role is getting response. Okay, so let's create a rule to block the response from the internet. Let's block the same program, Firefox. It's not required, to be honest. Even if you block the outbound connection, it's more than enough. Make sure the name now shouldn't match whatever we created in outbound, else you won't be able to create it. Make sure it's a different name you put out in, just to separate that. Okay, so we have created two rules, outbound and inbound. Okay, so when we go to the Firefox now, let's search YouTube or google.com, whatever. Google, let's try. It works, right? So what we do is we go to the Windows Defender firewall here, and once it's open, what you do is you have to turn it on. Okay, so you see it's showing in the red, it means it's off. So click on turn Windows Defender off, and let's turn the all connection, public and private, on. There you go. So now the rule we have created should work fine, which was for outbound. Okay, when we refresh it, it stops working. Okay, so the Firefox is unable to send the request, so we'll get a no response. Even if we go to the advanced security and disable the or delete the inbound rule, doesn't matter. It still won't be able to get any response because it's unable to send any request. Let's delete this and delete. Yes. Okay, and now even after deleting it, when we refresh it, we won't be able to reach the internet from Firefox. There you go, because it's unable to send the request because there is still rule of outbound. Even if you try you to whatever site you try, it won't work. Okay, so there are a couple of options. Rather than deleting the rule, we can disable it, enable it. There are so many options. Let me show you here. Outbound, we still have the rule. We click right click and double click or right click. Allow the connection. We have allowed the connection. Even the rule exists, we have allowed, and it should work fine, right? So rather than deleting it, we can go to the properties, right? Block the connection or enable or disable. Okay, and then you see, there you go. So this is how you can block or allow any software which you have installed from using the internet, right? Even though Wi-Fi is working fine, we can use the internet on different apps, different software, but if we want to block a specific software, we can do like that. So there you go. Hope you guys really liked my videos. Please follow, subscribe my channel for more content like that. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Take care.